Hello everyone, welcome to the M5 Stack basic tutorial video. Today, we will introduce how to flash firmware onto the ChainDualKey using M5 burner and demonstrate how to use the UIFlow 2 graphical programming tool for development. Before conducting the experiment, you need to prepare the Type-C USB data cable in advance and install the M5 burner desktop application on the computer in advance. Next, we will proceed with flashing the firmware using M5 burner. Log in to your M5 Stack community account. Select the ChainDualKey from the device list on the left. Download the ChainDualKey firmware. Move the switch to the middle position. Hold key 1 and connect the device to your PC via a USB-C data cable. Then release key 1 and the device will enter download mode. Bind the device to your account. Fill in the required configuration information, such as Wi-Fi settings. Click Next to begin flashing. If you need to change the configuration information burned later, after the device connects to the computer and enters the download mode, click Configure to reburn the configuration information. Next, we will proceed with UIFlow to programming. Log in to the official website of UIFlow 2. Log in to your M5 Stack community account. UIFlow 2 supports two development methods, online programming and offline programming. First, I will demonstrate how to develop online using Wi-Fi. Click the device management button at the bottom to view online devices and select the currently connected ChainDualKey. Next, I will demonstrate how to program on a ChainDualKey device. Now, I will demonstrate how to develop offline using USB. Modify the program. Click the web terminal at the bottom left. Select the serial port connected to the ChainDualKey and click Run. If you want to download and save the program directly to the device, click the download button. Next, introduce how to use the UIFlow 2 graphical programming tool to develop and program the built-in peripherals of the ChainDualKey. Case 1. Control the device's RGB light to make it blink. Case 2. Use the two buttons on the device to change the color of the RGB light when pressed. Case 3. Use the DualKey function to detect the battery voltage in the device and obtain the status of the middle toggle switch. Case 4. Use the device's USB HID feature to make the two buttons function as the left and right buttons of a computer mouse.